your thing.
Welcome back, YouTube. Today we're gonna go pick up my father's friend's his Audi A4 and install a front lip on it.
I need keys.
Oh right, so. Keys. I forgot. That's kind of what you need to drive my car. Jeez, did you start it out in third?
When you're good like me, you can start out in fourth. Do you want to see if I can start in fourth?
Not really. But if you must be entertaining, I suppose I will allow it.
Fourth, third.
Fourth gear start. Let's see if it
Uphill.
works. Oh gosh. Why would you do that?
Because I didn't pay for that clutch. Tread, 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 tread. Here we go. You ought to show the doggone curve up here.
Oh yeah.
That would be a cool
That'll
shot.
be a fun one.
As we can go without before somebody shows up.
Oh gosh. Oh gosh, that reminds me of the Taylor Jet. That's somebody did a burnout there.
Yeah.
That's kind of cool. Yeah, Sunkist,
Sunkist.
non-sponsored.
Non-sponsored.
Yeah. Please. Please.
Somebody sponsor him so he can move out of my house. I'm sponsoring right now, and I'll tell you right now, it's well worth the money. It really is. It's well worth the money.
If you're sponsored. Yep. Every time you do that, I'm gonna do the zoom. Oh gosh.
Our next video will be replacing the motor.
So yeah, we're picking up the Audi A4 right now. It's a Quattro. Anyways, see you in a second. That does look nice. Yeah, it's not too bad. Hello? Clank, clank. My face. How did that happen? I didn't do anything.
Look at that.
Yeah, that's sick Audi, bro. Explain.
Anyways, oh, you don't need that. There
Explain.
we go. There we go. Sorry, I had the wrong lighting. Oh. Hey, you gotta have good lighting.
You look dead inside.
I know. I am dead inside. I work for them. Well, I can't say.
Yeah, you're not gonna say
Anyways,
that.
what we're gonna do is we're gonna take the car out, wash it. We're gonna wet sand the hood to get rid of some of the orange peel. It's got a Mako paint job on it. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna wet sand it. It's a single stage paint, so we're gonna wet sand it, or color sand it, what they call, and then we're gonna buff it out and try to get a good shine on the hood for it. So that's where we're going now.
Baby bottom.
Yeah.
Yeah. finished up Solon's car, got it all color sanded, and got the lip on, and what else?
Put his Miami Dolphins
Yeah,
license plate on the front.
That.
Fixed the sunroof.
Yep.
2 hours, 2.5 hours wet sanding and buffing the hood.
Because we don't know how to wet sand, but doesn't mean we're not going to try. Next episode, going to do the MR2. Stay tuned for the chaos. Like and subscribe. Bye.